Crack Attack is a plastic composite cold mix repair for cracks ranging from ½ an inch up to 4 inches wide. Clean out the crack with a leaf blower or pressure washer. Pour liquid binding agent and mix until consistent. Using a trowel or putty knife, apply material into the crack. Push material into the crack using the edge of the trowel or putty knife. Pile material above the crack 1 to 2 inches. Tamp the material flush using a trowel. Once the material has cured, be sure to apply Crack Attack Next Day Sealer. Clean off any loose dust or material with a leaf blower or soft bristle broom. Using a roller, apply Crack Attack Next Day Sealer to the repair. Multiple coats may be needed and are recommended for sealing the crack. Attack the crack with Crack Attack.